What's up guys? It is 10:56 and I am getting ready for a shoot here in New York with Bobbi Brown, and I'm about to just get ready with you guys. We're doing some really fun stuff today. We're doing a quick shoot, and then we are also mixing some foundations, so I figured that'd be something really fun for you guys to join me with, because you guys already know your girl is OCD about foundations, and I get to mix something special today. I'm definitely down. So I'm just gonna get ready with you guys and then just take you along the day with me. So I'm gonna start with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base from Bobbi Brown. You guys know how much I love this stuff. Although I make sure I really moisturize my skin with like my skincare routine, this is just another extra added step. If you have like a dry foundation, this moisturizer and primer is like amazing. One of my favorite products from Bobbi Brown. This feels so good. So I've got my Beyonce hair today, and I am already feeling myself. I'm not even ready yet. I'm not gonna know how to act today. Wait till you guys see my outfit. She's a banger. Foundation. I'm going in with the Skin Longwear Weightless from Bobbi Brown, and I have it in the shade Cool Espresso. And I'm gonna apply it with a brush. And I think today we're actually mixing our own version of Skin Longwear Weightless called the Foundation Factory. I am actually really excited about it. A lot of you guys asked me how I get my lace to really like look like not lace. I just take my foundation into that bad boy. I don't get it in the hair, but just like on the edge of the lace, and that really helps. I wish we had a little bit better lighting in here, but you know, it's a hotel room. I didn't come prepared, but you guys will see what this looks like outside. I'm gonna make sure I take it down to my neck. It's my problem area. I always forget my neck for some reason, which is so bad because my neck is like almost the color of my skin tone on my face, and if I forget my neck, then I just look like, I don't even know what it looks like. It looks crazy. Get those little scars on my chest. All right, foundation is on. Anthony's here with me also. Thanks, baby. Oh, this feels really good. Did you do it with hot water? I need to start doing that. I always do mine with cold water and it feels terrible, but this feels so nice and warm. I need to hurry because I actually want to be able to do my eye makeup today, especially if I want to look like Beyonce. Because she's always beat. So, concealer. Tony, am I Beyonce yet? Wow, I can't stand you. You said that so easily, the disrespect. So I see you want to be with Beyonce. Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna look so unblended. I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom, go double check. Just had to make sure I was blended, and I am now. So let's go ahead and set these under eyes. This girl's got a hold on me. What is that? No, what? You said I'm jealous? What song were you even trying to add to, number one, before you call someone jealous? We good.
Beyonce? Beyonce, Beyonce,
Beyonce, Beyonce, Beyonce.
Beyonce.
I'm gonna do the rest of my lips and my eyes when we get there, because I just want it to look perfect right before the shoot. See you guys there. So cute. Say hi to my beautiful tummy. Hi. Oh, I love her. All right, I'm done. I'm ready to go and shoot.
Beyonce, Beyonce, Beyonce.
finished filming on the set. It was really good. Tony helped me practice before, so we killed it. And they got some Beyonce win for me, and I was like, yes. Hi. Hey guys, it is a few days after our trip. I realized that I never closed out the vlog, so I figured I'd close it out for you guys right now. I had an amazing time with the Bobbi Brown team. The entire thing was so much fun. The foundation factory, I got to make the shade Cool Espresso from their Skin Longwear Weightless foundation, which is actually what I'm wearing right now, and it looks so good. I really love this foundation. It blends in so smoothly, super lightweight, and I can wear it all day without feeling like nasty and cakey after the whole day. And it's starting to warm up, so lightweight is a key for me, especially in this Texas weather. Okay, so we have a vlog channel. Yeah, did we post on it? No. But if you want to check it out, we have a few videos up there right now. Yeah. We're probably gonna put a few more in there soon. We started some sort of like fitness journey if you guys want to see about that. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I forgot to disclose, this video was in collaboration with Bobbi Brown, but I'm pretty sure you guys already knew that, but I want to make sure I disclose because you guys know I will always disclose. But yes, this video is in partnership with Bobbi Brown. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lots of love, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.